Listen and practice. Listen and practice. My last day at school. My last day at school was no less as memorable as my first day at school 5 years ago. I went to school as student for the last time last Tuesday, i.e. December 22nd, when the sent-up students were asked to clear their dues, fees, and other things like the books borrowed from the library. After this, we were asked to assemble in a hall where the headmaster, along with other senior teachers, met us and gave us the words of advice for life as well as the crucial examination ahead of us. We were told how to utilize the time in hand by revising the lessons. They emphasized on the utility of writing answers. They also reminded us of our duty to keep contact with the school. Next, we visited other teachers in the teachers' common room. We bowed down to them all one by one. They blessed us wholeheartedly and inspired and motivated us to fare in the coming exams and to be successful in life. It was a great feeling to take leave of the teachers who taught us so carefully all these years. At last, we met the students of our school, senior and junior alike. They all looked sad at the thought of getting separated. We too had the similar feeling. Our throats choked as we talked to them. At last, we were treated to light refreshment and a group photo of the teachers and candidates was taken in the lawn of the school. In the midst of all these, I had a feeling of sadness. The minutes and moments of my being at my school were numbered. Indeed, I was as unhappy when I stepped into the school for the first time, some 5 years back, as today. A journey by boat. A journey by boat is a very exciting experience. Last September, I enjoyed one such experience along with some of my friends. Generally, we go to Kolkata either by bus or train. But we decided to go by boat from our place in Budge. The river was full to the brim. We hired a boat. We were 10 in number. We started by 8 a.m. And then we had our breakfast on the boat with different delicacies. There were 2 oarsmen and a helmsman. The boat was floating along smoothly with the current of water favoring it. When we were in midstream, some of us, especially those who did not know how to swim, got nervous. Others, knowing how to swim, gave them the words of assurance. From the middle of the Hooghly, we had a wonderful view of the things and trees on both the banks of the river. Sometimes ships were passing by, making huge waves in the river. The boat went up and down in the waves, causing some fear among some of my friends. As we were approaching Kolkata, high buildings and chimneys of mills and factories came to our view. One by one we found the trees of botanical gardens, the ships in Netaji Subhas Chandra Port, and also the Vidyasagar Setu and Howrah Bridge. These looked so beautiful from a distance. All along, a gentle breeze was blowing across, making the journey rather comfortable and enjoyable. We had our lunch on the boat and it consisted of different delicious items. All relished the lunch. In course of the journey, we gossiped and listened to music, making the journey all attractive. Our back journey began at 3 p.m. when the ebb tide began. The boat started moving fast down the river. The most attractive thing now was the magnificent spectacle of the setting sun going into the horizon in the distance. Our long and adventurous journey by boat came to an end in the evening.